My dear students, in the last part we have discussed about the compound microscope, and we have drawn ray diagram of compound microscope when the final image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision. And in this part we have to define magnifying power of compound microscope, and we have to derive its expression. Koi mamang da koi compound microscope imaram da koi high grade my ray diagram du ye grade. Now, hojil after compound microscopy magnifying power je karino adu magi formula pirani aduga formula do mu ray diagram de mu derivation of tawsi ko alo sida urize compound microscopy ray diagram le by final image na at the least distance of distinct vision the form to ko ano koina magnifying power defined to be hargadi koina angle subtended by the final image at the eye with the optical center of the eyepiece. Aduga angle subtended by the object at the eye or optical center of the eyepiece, that is beta alpha ga compare to do ne to object ka final image ki position ga samba ga da sigi figure is the object is the line a b ko final image na a double dash b double dash lai re adu ko na object se final image na level jaga is da ko na thambada ko ai lai re no ko na assume to tare aduga sigi angle adi se form at the optical center of eyepiece or eye akoi mid ka optical center of eyepiece ka yam longna na leiba aduna sigi angle alpha beta je akoi mid ta form to we has gi na optical center of the eyepiece sida variable lens se eyepiece name ko aduna in case of lens the koina magnification je koina lens ke matang di height of the object image divided by height of the image divided by height of the object I never adubu in case of compound microscope the magi height ki muta angle doina la never angle sorry dai magi object ki size na takana image ki size to dum solve doini adra sida koina la je angle subtended by the final image at the eye or optical center of the eyepiece divided by angle subtended by the object at the eye, that is optical center of the eyepiece alpha. It is beta by alpha. So now magnifying power of the compound microscope high to comodium ko. Aduna magnifying power of compound microscope say apoi spinal definition is minor PVI or the definition je mu yeng si ko. Alo ko na my definition is my PVI magnifying power of compound microscope denoted by capital M. It is defined as the ratio of angle subtended by the final image at the eye, that is beta, to the angle subtended by the object at the eye, that is alpha, when both the final image and the object are at the least distance of distinct vision, that is 25 centimeter from the normative eye. Least distance of distinct vision is the capital D ko. Capital D is 25 centimeter ka sigma na gani adu na sai ki apina magnifying power of compound microscope se kari ka mana ke bu segi final image tu ga object tu ga same position da leira but that is at the least distance of distinct vision da leira adu ga final image tu na eye da mid ta na traga na eyepiece da form to ga angle tu da object tu na eye da na traga na eyepiece da form to ga angle duga ani to ratio to ne that is beta divided by alpha de ko ano si the high definition je ko no mu mathematically smile ito pa ya ko ye si ko sigi definition je mathematically easy ba ado ko no magi formula je direct to di ray diagram sangi ado na ray diagram je ko no mutat pa ya ko lok to pa ya ado na ina do le gyan ta na ba ray diagram to thamba ba ni ko ado ai si na dum khanga pick pick na dum ira ge ko sida la tu je uski definition matu ina that is magnifying power mj kai mana ba beta divided by alpha mana le ko smart pe ni say right in place number 1 here और मतलब la tu ina कोई magnifying power of compound microscope se in terms of object distance of objective, that is u naught image distance for objective v naught and the focal length of the eyepiece fe hariba symbol mayam jida akhoi express toroba corner ka doini aduna hojik lakui je compound microscope ta leibo object se ebj or natagana a triple dash b double dash se yamna pikpa object ni ko idile riba a triple dash b double dash ka eb ka samane ko by height se idile riba object se from the pusale na koina assume to gani aduna yam pikpani na angle formed by the object as well as final image at the eye is alpha beta ze are very small the angle jam pic tar de koina tan alpha tan beta na p ba ya ko tan alpha tan beta aduna smile in asema akoina kedogi tan beta tan alpha da p no khai gadi akoina pa is in terms of u naught v naught fe capital d sida express to ba ko kodra ka de next smile ya ko since alpha and beta are very small angles alpha is approximately tan alpha pbm and beta is angle beta is approximately tan beta pbm and the sidala equations my peers therefore am is equal to pbm tan beta divided by tan alpha small pbi in equation number 2 equation number 1 is small pbi m equal to tan beta divided by tan alpha this is tan beta tan alpha is musik diagram is the by values in terms of the putok seba height of the image distance of the image from the optical center height in terms of the focal length id ue high basically symbol me have to express on the for the zero ko aduna tan beta value putoke hargadi sigi right triangle je log tare a double dash b double dash o dash awdagi koina tan beta haradi perpendicular by bs la ane a double dash b double dash divided by o dash b double dash la ane by aduna tan alpha putoke hargana sigi right triangle a triple dash b double dash o dash log tare जगी tan alpha हारदी a triple dash b double dash divided by o dash b double dash la de ko ado mu sijalaga mu ye ga si ko aduna si makhas pai la prise si mutalaji ko next up in la prise later from right triangle a double dash b double dash o dash then beta equal to a double dash b double dash divided by o dash b double dash from right triangle a triple dash b double dash o dash tan alpha equal to perpendicular that is a triple dash b double dash divided by o dash b double dash minus a ko so is tan beta dagi a double dash b double dash by o dash b double dash later tan alpha gina a triple dash b double dash divided by o dash b double dash later ko other side equation number 2 da tan beta ga tan alpha value do akoi sinjala je ko ai som nakhan de ige ko smile khazala ga swai ige ko therefore equation 2 implies that equation 2 de apela ji m equal to tan beta se ko a double dash b double dash divided by o dash b double dash divided by alpha la to ni tan alpha si makala ni se a triple dash b double dash divided by o dash b double dash mai la ane silai ba o dash b double dash cancel sa kadin na silai ko aduga mu sidalai ba a triple dash b double dash se a triple dash b double dash se e b ga mane that is height of the object ga mane to na si a triple dash b double dash mo ta na a b no hut sim ba ya ni ba ko si makha da la tu se si mutala ji ko mutala ni hojik laktuise smai laani si makha da super laan ko. This implies that m equal to a double dash b double dash by a b laani. Maram ji karigino hai tardi since a b equal to a triple dash b double dash ne ko. Next laktuise now se koi na mathak makha da a dash b dash option 0 smai. A dash b dash divided by ab into a double dash b double dash divided by a dash b dash. Dewa koi na kado bagi a dash b dash hapsul ino hai do maram ji ko. I objective analogy. Objective ki image ti a dash b dash. Adu gamagi object na a b adu sila rize a dash b dash id height of the image formed by objective divided by height of the object ko. Height of the image ta height of the object divide ta di sigi objective lens ki magnification ko mani hai. Aduna a dash b dash divided by a b je koi na m o e i m o i ti kai no magnification produced by an objective lens le ko. Similarly sila rize a double dash b double dash divided by a dash b dash ya koi na eyepiece ki magnification le kai ki right tardi a double dash b double dash है eyepiece no form to ba height of the image ni aduga a dash b dash na eyepiece ki object ki height ne ko aduna sigi height of the image divided by height of the objective the eyepiece ki magnification tarni and then divided by a is my line ne ko. This is the equation number 3 pba minor. Now magnifying power of compound microscope से करी जो मादर है ताकि the product of magnification for objective into magnification for eyepiece. Objective की magnification का eyepiece की magnification का अनितु की product का मादर है को. अब बाकी तार पर द सिगी formula जे मु सीधा ले equation 3 जे अपन in terms of focal length मु लाख से को. अब focal length लाख चुका है तो सही magnification of a lens है. पर in terms of object distance or image distance divided by object distance PBI adu amuk makhat w score sibo laigre adu hojik simu thalage makhat lagi ko next mu yemasi si makhat je simu thalaji ko auna hojiki m dot m is kari manage to am hairam si ko si makhat where m naught equal to magnification for objective and again this should be equal to si kari ga mana ge mo kana ko lens ki magnification se smile bani magi general formula se ko m equal to b by u le do legi la ku ne ba ata di in case of objective te di sai ki image distance से b naught का मान है को minus b naught divided by u naught को object distance अदो sin convention की मतुई ना u naught से minus आ कनी minus u naught स्माइल आ कनी है अदो मु सिगा समान ना को eyepiece मु ला जे eyepiece द me equal to magnification for eyepiece and should be equal to ko sida no eyepiece matal di magi image distance b tare ko image distance se b is a d ma to ni sin convention matu ina minus ma smile ani minus d aya pa de maram the measurement of b is a opposite to the direction of incident line ne ko incident line is to la pu ne adi opposite sa ko aduga object distance u e ya na ti ju minus a ko ni object distance minus u e la ne adi tar di ida le ba minus cancel sa ka di d by u e ga su mana ne ko aduga magnification produced by an objective and eyepiece in terms of image distance and object distance that's minus PBI ko when the magnification of lens side are the amuka from as a remind ko torkada m equal to b by u manai in terms of the height of the image, height of the object p na is I divided by I is over mana ko sigi from as the lak pani ko aduna matang si mutalaji ko yare adati ngasai equation number 3 do adung laji ko aduna therefore equation 3 implies that m equal to small m not kimota c0 minus b naught by u naught into m e kimota 0 d by u e in equation number 4 period. Mathang da koi na mo sidale riba 1 by u is in terms of focal length of the eyepiece hai f e da express on over tau se ko ana si bo equation number 4 bok lai re adu makha ta ko dum la ji ko si mutala dum la ji next la ko is koi na lens from la eyepiece ta apply to lens from la ji ko applying lens formula in an eyepiece. We have lens formula 1 by f 1 by focal length of eyepiece 1 by f e focal length of eyepiece equal to 1 by v image distance to lens formula is 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. See formula is like this. अब a की मोटा f की लाइट है b की मोटा eyepiece की बता दे दी b की मोटा b is नि b इधर करेंगे माना रे d sin convention में तो इन्हें minus d में लागा नहीं d को d है भी b तो नहीं b की मोटा कोई नहीं b है भी minus d के माने minus 1 by u है भी eyepiece दी object distance ue sin convention में तो इन्हें minus में यार पनी चीज़ को minus u is minus 1 by v minus 1 by u I form the recall minus is the half is by the 1 by v minus 1 by u formula और इसी की मखाल इसमें लानी इसी की minus plus cos से अदुगा multiply both sides by t d ने लोग ना multiply तो सुने जी को इसी की मखाल इसमें ला तो इसे इसी मात्रा में तो को this implies that d by f e equal to minus 1 d by d minus plus d by u e direct form. Ada si makada koi la tu ise si mutala si si makada ko si makada tu ise d by u e equal to 1 jen ne to sa pro 1 plus d by f e is my direct. Adi ka sai equation number 4 da yaw gi ba d by u की मोटा 1 plus d by f e अपुसी जब यार ने बा equation number 4 की दो और equation number 4 no मुझ माइला आसे therefore equation 4 implies that m equal to minus d naught by u naught into d by u की मोटा से माइनस 1 plus d by f e is माइला आने and see formula that is magnifying power of compound microscope.